Viewers, today we're going to show you how to make tuna melt in a potato shells. We got two potatoes. The bigger it is, the better it is. So we're going to put it in the oven for 1 hour. We're going to take it out after 1 hour. That's the jacket potatoes. Sometimes if it's bigger, it takes about an hour. But if it's bigger, it can take a little bit longer or a little bit less. Just please make sure you check it before you. Now we're going to take it out. Viewers, now my jacket potatoes, I'm going to cut them in the middle. I'm going to scoop them out. Same principle in this side. We got to leave little bit. Viewers, we got some tin tuna. We're going to add some onion to it. Some sweet corn, salt, pepper. We're going to add some Tabasco according to your taste. We need some mayonnaise. According to, well, we are looking for 2 tablespoons, but if you want to add more or less, it's completely up to you. Now we're going to mix them all together. Now we're going to fill it up our potato cases. Because it's called tuna melt, so cheese got to melt on them, so we got to put quite a bit of generous amount of cheese. Viewers, now I'm going to put it under the grill until they melted properly. Viewers, we take it out from the oven. That's my beautiful tuna melt. Viewers, that's my beautiful tuna melt in a potato shell, served with tomato ketchup or spicy tomato chutney. Nothing could be better than that. Enjoy and bon appetit. Enjoy.